Hello and welcome. We're watching India Today. I'm Akshita Nandagopal. Our focus remains on the political war happening in Goa as well as the turmoil within the Congress, where amid questions being raised over his leadership, Rahul Gandhi has finally spoken out. Rahul alleged that the BJP has thrown money to win the polls in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand and now in Goa as well. Meanwhile, he also dismissed the allegations of turmoil within his party, saying that the Congress definitely needs to undergo some structural changes.
You have ups and downs. So we had a little down in UP, which is fine, we accept it. But we have an ideological fight with the BJP and we will continue to do that. Let me speak. See, our fight with the BJP is an ideological fight. What is basically the ideology of the BJP, and that is what we are fighting. But the idea,
what do you need to do? You've got Gujarat, you've got Himachal, you've got Karnataka, you've got, the fact that you're not allowing regional leaders to come up. That is the allegation against the Congress leadership. That you are disconnected with them. How do you answer these, your critics and say that you're going to pull up the socks of the Congress?
Look, we had 5 elections. We formed a government in Punjab, we won the election in Manipur and Goa. That's not a bad result. It's true that we lost the election in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. If you look at our Uttarakhand election, you look at Punjab, who is running these elections? It's the regional leaders who are running the elections. They are the people who fight the election, and they've been successful in Punjab, they've been successful in Goa, they've been successful in Manipur. But as far as the Congress party is concerned, we do need to make structural and organizational changes. That's a fact. I mean, that's that's soon enough. Look, it's not a question of soon enough. It's a question of how much money the BJP has thrown to steal the mandate of Manipur and Goa. That's the question. It's not how soon you went, it's with how much money they went. Thank you.
All right, the knives are clearly out in the Congress. Senior leaders and Sonia loyalist Satyavrat Chaturvedi has questioned Rahul Gandhi's leadership and also called for structural changes in the party, saying that the leadership and the high command should have acted before the poll drubbing, especially, of course, referring to what's happened in Goa as well as Manipur.
जो गोवा के प्रभारी हैं महामंत्री दिग्विजय सिंह जी, वो निरंतर उनसे संपर्क में थे और हाईकमांड को वो गोवा की स्थिति के बारे में निरंतर अवगत भी कराते रहे। इसलिए ये कहना कि हाईकमांड सो रहा था, मैं समझता हूँ ये उचित नहीं।
सर, आपने पहले भी कहा था कि वक्त आ गया कि पार्टी में सर्जरी की जरूरत है। आपको लग रहा है कि बदलाव करना चाहिए?
अब करने से भी क्या होगा, जब करना चाहिए था तब तो किया नहीं।
Some harsh words coming in from Satyavrat Chaturvedi there, but Rahul Gandhi has managed to find some support in Punjab Chief Minister-elect Captain Amrinder Singh. Speaking to India Today, Amrinder said that the time is right for Rahul Gandhi's elevation. Listen in.
To improve the party and to get it moving forward, and whatever the VP thinks is okay by us.
And do you feel?
Surely will call the CWC, we will talk it over then, but I am all there to support him.
And you think that it's right time for him to take over?
If the CP wants it, and we all want it, but the final decision is the CP. I will be very happy to see him there.
You have been raising this issue from last 1 year. You were the first person who said the time is right for Rahul to get elevated. Now there are many who are saying that no, it is leadership who is somewhere weak as far as Goa and Manipur is concerned.
I don't believe in that. We have one in Manipur, we have one in Goa. And if somebody comes and usurps the title and takes over everything by arm twisting, that's violation of the mandate.